Hi friends, it's Julia here at Artful Elements, and yep, we're making miniature bowls. I know, everybody's on the kick of miniature right now. It's miniature this and miniature, so why not us? I've made these for a long time, and I love doing them. They're just so cute and so easy, and it utilizes a mold that most of us already have, which is the sphere mold, and we're going to be doing the little one. We're also going to need some UV resin and then a UV lamp. This is an old one. Then we want to elevate it as well so that we can actually do the work under the light, because we're going to have to hold this or position it as it's curing. Okay? And you see here, we're just going to push it up. So basically we're inverting that into itself so that it creates that little pocket, which then in turn turns into a little bowl. So I've just selected some UV resin. And then whatever you want to have as your embedments, right? Like, so if you want, rocks, shells, fine spun, fantasy flake, all the good stuff. And these little measuring cups with the funnel are so cool. It's literally this little cup, and then it snaps, the funnel just snaps right on it, and it makes it so easy to fill our molds with product. Yeah, so I hope you really like those. Those are fun. But no, so anyway, we're going to do about a third. So you put a little bit in of your material, about a third full, and then you want to just take the resin just above that product, and then kind of just mush it around to make sure that it's going to do. You don't want to overfill. So just remember, it's about a third. You can go up to about a half if you need to, okay? But we're going to be, pressing that up. So get your lamp set up. Since I've made this video, I now have a different light that I use, but these work just fine. But anyway, we press it up, and then we're just going to reach our hands under it to cure it. And now we're going to take just a little needle bottle with some soapy water and a little bit and squeeze and work it around, and it's just going to pop free. And you don't have to do the soap and water, but it does work. And that's it. And look how cute. Can you just imagine you're in this little dollhouse and you've got this little miniature pedestal, and then you put the little bowl on top, so it's one of those little bowl things? Yeah. Kohler, where are you? Anyway, now I'm just taking some mica powder. Like I said, glitter, just any of them. They're just fun little bowls. So I've just put in a little bit of that. I could have pre-mixed it into a cup. Like if you have extra resin, this would be a really good way to use your leftover resin, is to make these little bowls. They do make great gifts. I did several workshops with them, and everybody loved them. But anyway, so you're just going to mix that in. I wanted it to be more kind of marbled or swirled. And then I'm just going to push it up, and under the light it goes. And we'll cure it. Now, see, you just want to push it right to the edge of the lip of that. And then here we go. And now we're going to take it out. And there's our cute little bowl. I got an air pocket in that one. That's okay. So if you wanted to have something to help you hold that shape, you can do other things. But here I've just cast a clear one. And they'll put a bail on it, and then it'll make a really cool pocket for like a pearl or some gems or some rocks or whatever. But it's kind of opened. But now, to cast a half sphere, if you cast a half sphere, you can use that half to then help you push or disperse, right, that mold and your product inside there, and then cure. But there you go, guys. Little tiny bowls for your miniature collectors. I hope you enjoyed the video. Hey, have fun creating. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye for now.